Significant legal development for Sean Diddy Combs. The disgraced music mogul has been granted a request for an expedited appeal of his prostitution conviction. His legal team argues that his 50-month prison sentence could be completed before his appeal is heard. Combs has until December 23rd to file his brief. If granted, oral arguments could be heard as early as April.
So where? Nigeria, Ghana,
South Africa.
Moving away from the country or within the country?
Yeah, Africa. I am moving to Africa.
Is this due to pressure or?
Pressure from...
I mean, you know, the whole drama.
Yeah.
There was a music producer who claims that back in 2020 that Diddy sexually harassed him. That I won't get too much into it because it's a bit graphic, but that there was a sex act that Diddy had done in front of this guy, and that he was obviously like, look, this happened out of the blue. It's not something that I asked for, and yet there I was, and it's something that I had to deal with. So some time goes by, and he ultimately ends up filing a police report just a couple of months ago. Now he also filed a lawsuit. So he files the civil lawsuit that is active, and now also he files the police report, and because of that, it has now triggered a police investigation. So
it is 100%, 1,000% easier to transport illegal drugs, to transport weapons, to transport any illicit materials on a private jet. And if you have to go through security at the airport and run the risk of having drug dogs sniff out whatever you're carrying. And that's just a fact of life. At any airport in this country, people can basically just walk out in the flight line, get in their own jet, take whatever they want and go wherever they want.
President Trump says Sean Diddy Combs has asked him for a pardon.
I have a lot of people have asked me for pardons. I call him Puff Daddy has asked me for a pardon.
Would you ever consider pardoning him?
First of all, I look at what's happening. I haven't seen him. I haven't spoken to him in years. He used to really like me a lot, but I think when I ran for politics, that relationship busted up. From what I read, I don't know. He didn't tell me that, but I'd read some little bit nasty statements in the paper all of a sudden,
Diddy claimed that somebody held a knife to his throat. He woke up and this guy basically had him and he had the knife, and Diddy was at this person's mercy. Now, it's unclear what exactly happened from there. Was there a guard that came in? Did Diddy somehow fight this person off? Well, seems unlikely that happened. Or did the person just leave? I think that was something they wanted known during the hearing because they wanted the judge to take some pity on Diddy.
he's not really going to be scot-free because Diddy's going to get a ton of civil cases after this trial is over. So any of you think Diddy's going to be completely out the woods, he'll be out the woods in terms of maybe he can get his freedom. Let's say he beats the feds here, which we're going to discuss, and I'll share what my opinion and where it's coming from. But Diddy's going to get a ton of civil cases when this is done, and he's going to be paying out a whole lot of people. And because everything that's come out in court that the feds have thrown at him that have been generally pretty much agreed upon by Diddy's defense, he has no even reason to even fight these civil cases. He's going to be paying a whole bunch of people. So y'all keep that in mind, that Diddy's going to be paying a bunch of folks, whether he wins or loses.